Hi, this is Jeffrey from GraphCall. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create augmented media with a document, any PDF. It can be like a report that we have here open in Chrome. It can be a brief, it can be a contract, any PDF. Now, we have the PDF open in Chrome, and we're going to show how you need to install the GraphCall extension and how you can use it. So let's go. First of all, we're going to go to Web Store Chrome. All right, we're going to click here. And next, we are going to look for GraphCall. Very good. Hit enter. And we are going to add to Chrome. Yes, we want to add the extension. Very good. Now, we can close this box. Pay attention. We need a further setting. We are going to go to More Tools, Extension, and now we are going to click on Details right there. And we need to allow to access to file URL, sorry, right there. This is for your local PDF. So if you open a PDF in Chrome from your folder, local folder, this will enable you to use it as well with the same extension. So let's go back to this document. Now we are ready to use. Just click on this, and you want to give it a name a bit more semantic, like poll, vice, report, let's say. And next you're going to load on clicking on this button. So you load, and what happens is that it will send the document and prepare a virtual presenter box. So right there, you got the document loading, and you have this recorder box. So it's very simple. You're going to click on this red button, and now you're ready to record. So let's go, let's record, and that's it. I'm ready to record. So now I can browse the file, use those buttons to highlight, for example, right there. I can move to the next page and highlight a second section. Now I'm going to show you how you want to stop. Once you're done, you click on Stop here. Next, you are going to click on this little button, Save, right there. Give it a name. So this is going to be Vice Demo, and save. And the system is going to upload the whole thing and give you back a link, which you will be able to send by WhatsApp, email, whichever way you want. There is also an option to send it very privately, so even more secure than email, because the recipient cannot even forward the PDF. But for now, let's look at this. You get the link. Let's simulate what the recipient will get. So it's going to get this. Next, we'll click on that. I'm ready to record. So now I can browse the file, use those buttons to highlight, for example, right there. I can move to the next page and highlight a second section. Now I'm going to show you how you want to stop once you're done. All right, so I stop here. When you stop a video, what do you get? You get a frozen image, right? Here I just paused. I didn't stop, I paused. Look, I can move the box, and I can also browse the file. This is much better than a video. And also, the other advantage is that if you're the people who are watching the content are on mobile, you don't need to prepare special content just for mobile because it's small. Why is that so? Let me show you. We're going to simulate a replay on mobile, and this is what happens. So on mobile, the recipient will see exactly what you see right now. Okay, and this is it. You have a box you can move. Okay, you can play. And you're going to tell me, well, but it's not working, it's too small. I'm ready to record, so now I can browse the file, use the... All right, so you're telling me, yeah, but you didn't demonstrate anything. Wait, if it were a normal video, yes, it would be too small. But here, look at that. I'm going to be able to enhance and move it, and then let the presenter continue. Right there, I can move to the next page and highlight a second section. Now I'm going to show you how you
See? So much better for emergency situation, because you don't need to prepare a document especially for mobile, because the person will be able to resize. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.